How to fix VMware could not create anonymous paging file. The VMware error could not create anonymous paging file usually occurs due to system resource or permissions issues, and here are some effective ways to resolve it. 1. Verify permissions. Make sure VMware has sufficient permissions to access system resources. Run VMware as an administrator by right-clicking the application icon and selecting Run as Administrator. Ensure your user account has permission to access the directories where VMware is installed and where VM files are stored. Right-click the directory, go to Property Security, and check permissions. 2. Increase virtual memory, expand paging file size, go to Control Panel System and Security System Advanced System Settings. Under the Advanced tab, click on Settings in the Performance section, and then go to the Advanced tab. Click on Change under Virtual Memory, uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives, select your system drive, and set a custom size, try 1.5 to 2 times your physical RAM. Restart your system for changes to take effect. 3. Free up system resources. Ensure enough disk space is available on the drive where VMware is installed and on the drive where the VM's files are stored. Close unnecessary applications to free up RAM, as high memory usage can cause paging file errors. 4. Update VMware and system drivers. Outdated versions of VMware can cause compatibility issues. Update to the latest version of VMware. Also, make sure your system's drivers, especially graphics and storage drivers, are up to date as they can affect virtualization. 5. Adjust VM configuration settings. Reduce the VM's memory allocation. Open VMware, select the VM, and reduce the amount of memory allocated to it in the settings. Start with a lower memory allocation and test if the error persists. Disable Memory Hot Add. For VMware Workstation Pro, if you are not using this feature, right-click on your virtual machine in VMware, go to Settings Memory, and disable Memory Hot Add if it is enabled. 6. Check and adjust antivirus/firewall settings. Sometimes, antivirus software interferes with VMware's ability to access necessary files. Try temporarily disabling antivirus/firewall protection and check if the error persists. These steps should help resolve the anonymous paging file error in VMware.